In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download code from Lovable AI step by step. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll have a local copy of your project's code ready to open or share. All you need is a web browser and an existing project in Lovable AI. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. You can click the search field on the page or use the address bar at the top of your browser since most browsers treat it like a search bar too. Type Lovable and press enter. You're looking for the official Lovable AI website in the results. It should appear right at the top. Click the official listing to go to the site. If your browser shows you a sign-in screen at any point, simply sign in to your account so you can access your projects. Once you're on the Lovable dashboard, locate your previous project. You'll typically see a list or grid of projects you've worked on. If you have a lot of projects, use any search or filtering options provided to find the one you want to download. Click your project to open it. At the top center of the project interface, look for the Tools area. Within these tools, locate the code icon and click it. This takes you into the code view or code-related tools for your project, where Lovable groups actions like viewing and exporting your code. Now, look toward the top right corner of the interface for a small download icon. It often looks like a downward arrow or a similar download symbol. This is the control that packages your project's code for export. Click the download icon to start the download. Your browser should begin downloading a compressed file, usually a zip, containing your project's code. If your browser asks where to save it, choose a folder you can find easily, like your desktop or downloads folder. If the download is blocked or doesn't start, check for any pop-up or download permissions in your browser, then try the click again. After the file finishes downloading, open your Downloads folder and, if it's a zip file, extract it. Inside, you'll find your project's source code organized into folders just as it appears in Lovable. From here, you can open it in your preferred code editor, commit it to version control, or share it with your team. That's it. You searched for Lovable, opened your project, accessed the code tools, and downloaded the code. Thanks for watching, and happy building!